Today I would like to talk to you about avatars in gaming and instruction. Avatars in games and instruction. I chose the color red because red is my favorite color and it always gets my attention. And when I think of red, I think of exciting things. I think avatars in games and instructions it's something that's very exciting. Why? I chose the color blue because as I think of why, it just puts me in the mind of being blue. Why are you trying to figure out why or how does this pertain to me? For engaging, I chose the color yellow because yellow always grabs my attention. It makes me think of happy things, and I think for something to be engaging, it makes you happy. For personal growth, I chose the colors black because black is you're kind of moving to enlightenment. So I chose black with gold letters, which gold symbolizes that you're enlightened. For appeal, under why, we'll go to appealing. And for appealing, I chose gold because gold is appealing to me. Every time I see a bright yellow or gold, it draws my attention. The next slide is cross curriculum. You can use, I'm not supposed to be going to say you can use cross curriculum, but cross curriculum is kind of a gray area. So I chose gray because you can use it across the border. Interactive. For interactive, I chose the color red with gold letters because interactive is not, the red is not as bright as the red next to it, but interactive, it kind of gets you going. And since gold and red are two colors that make me think of going, I guess red because of the fire is associated with red, fire trucks, so it just makes me think of, getting going. It ties over to motivating. Motivating being in red because every time I think of somebody that's motivated me, it makes me smile. And since red is my favorite color, I just went with red there. The next one is team skills, and I chose purple and gold because I'm a lady cat. I've been recently offered a position as a Dumas junior high basketball coach. So it makes me think, when I think of team skills, I'm thinking of my team. And those are our team colors, purple and gold. For the next slide, which is individual, I chose the color green because when you're thinking of yourself, well, green just made me think of myself. I'm not really sure why green made me think of myself, but I guess it's enlightening. The first thing under appealing is fun to learn. Now, this may seem a little funny or crazy, but for me, fun to learn, I immediately thought of being a kid and playing in the dirt. So I chose brown because it symbolizes me. To me, it's just fun when you're getting dirty as a child. The first thing under cross curriculum is health and math. And the reason I chose white and black is because generally health and math are things that we think of as kind of boring, especially health. A lot of people think of health as boring or insignificant, whereas math is not boring, but it's so challenging to most people won't apply themselves, so they're kind of just going through the motions. That's my opinion. The first thing on the interactive is learn by doing, and I use a gradient color because I think when you're new to something, you are kind of in the white, but as you learn, you are filled in. So that's why I went with a gradient color. Attention grabber. Now I felt pink would be a great attention grabber because it made me think of attention grabbing. I had to have gold in it because gold is appealing, and I thought it would grab everyone's attention when they saw the gold. Cooperative learning. Cooperative learning under team skills, it makes me feel like you're cooperating in a learning environment. And I chose the color blue because when I think of blue, I think of heaven. Just being honest, I think of heaven, so it kind of makes me want to cooperate when I see blue. The next one is self-confidence under individual. And the reason I chose the blue is because it's kind of tied into holistically. Yourself, you tie it into yourself holistically. So blue is, the person becoming enlightened about themselves.